Welcome to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you 10 very useful Windows shortcuts. So let's get started. The first one is Windows L, and this is going to allow you to lock your computer. So say you work in a busy office, you want to go to the restroom, but you don't want your evil coworker to play a prank and send an email on your behalf or look through your stuff, anything. Simple key to use would be Windows L, and this will lock your computer, and it works just like this. You press Windows plus L. And then when you return from the restroom or wherever you went, you simply just have to log back in. And all your apps will be there just as they were before you left. Okay, next shortcut is the Windows tab. So you're going to press Windows plus tab. And this is going to bring up the task view. So let's go ahead and do that. And it basically shows you all of the windows that are currently open. So I have one Microsoft Edge and another Microsoft Edge. This one has 3 tabs open. This one is just 1 tab open. Then I have my documents folder open. And then at the bottom, it shows you your virtual desktop. So this is the default one that I'm using. And then I have a different one that I added here just to show you this. And going back to Windows tab, you can press the arrow keys to move to the to select the window that you want to switch to. So here I'm going to go ahead and switch to this Ubuntu Edge browser here. And you press on enter, and that will open up the key. Again, you can do Windows tab and then switch to the File Explorer or the documents, and then we'll open that up. Windows tab again. You can go down and then go over to the second virtual desktop and then hit enter, and that will give you your other virtual desktop. So that is number 2. Next one we have is Windows Plus. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that one. So you're going to click on the Windows key and then the plus key, and it's going to zoom in. So if you want to zoom out, it's going to be Windows minus key. So say you want to zoom into this 76 here for the temperature. Just move your mouse cursor over to the 76 and then press plus. And then you can do it another time if you wanted to zoom in more and more and more. And then to escape that, you can Windows key plus minus. And another thing that you can do if you zoom in and you don't want to minus out, you can go ahead and press the Windows key plus the escape key at the same time, and this will exit out of the magnifier. Okay, up next we have one called Show Desktop. So say you have the desktop basically covered up by things, and you want to be able to look at the desktop. So you have press on the Windows key plus the letter D. So Windows plus D, and it shows you the desktop. And then Windows plus D brings you back to where you were. Very helpful. All right, another one that we have is Windows M. So if I bring the Edge back up and then press Windows plus M, it minimizes it. And then if you want to bring it back up, it's going to be Windows Shift M, and it brings it back up. So Windows M minimizes it. Windows Shift M brings it back up. Okay, another one that I find very useful is Windows key plus the left arrow, So say that your browser is over here on the right of the screen and you want to send it to the left. So you press on the Windows key and then the left arrow, and that moves it to the left. And then say you want to move it back to the right. Well, there's Windows right. So Windows key plus the right arrow, and you send it to the right. Okay, another one that I like is Ctrl Shift T. So let's maximize this, and let's go ahead and open up another tab. Let's go to yahoo.com. Let's open up another tab. Let's go to Google Maps, anything. And the key or the shortcut is Ctrl Shift T. So let's say you have all these three tabs open, and then you close the maps, but you want it back. So you press Ctrl Shift T, and it brings back the one that you previously closed. So if you accidentally close a tab, you just do that, Ctrl Shift T, and you bring it back. So let's close these two just to demonstrate. Ctrl Shift T will bring Yahoo back, and then Ctrl Shift T again, it'll bring Google Maps tab. So it basically brings them back in the order that you closed them. So I'm going to close Yahoo first, and then Google Maps second, Ctrl Shift T. So this was the last one that I closed, and then Ctrl Shift T, there's my Yahoo one. All right, so next one we have is Control K, which basically allows you to just say you want to navigate to, msn.com. So the normal thing to do would be to click here, erase what's there, and then go www.msn.com. Well, a faster way to do this is if you're on a browser, you can click on Control K. So Control K, it just brings up the ability to type on the address bar. So you don't have to, take the cursor up there and click on it and delete what's there. You just press Control K. So let me demonstrate it again. Control K, and then I enter, yahoo.com or whatever. So that's a very neat one. Another one that that we're gonna go ahead and look into. Let's just say so you're reading an article on Windows 11, and you wanted to copy this into a document or something. So you copy the text, and you copied it, and then you did you took a screenshot, and then you copy that. So basically I've copied some text and then I copied a screenshot. A really good shortcut is going to be the Windows plus V. So Windows V. So I'm going to press on, keep doing that. I'm going to press on Windows key plus the letter V, and it's going to bring up the clipboard, which contains all the last things that I copied. So we can simply go ahead and select something that you want to paste. So if I have a Microsoft Word document and I need to paste this image that I copied earlier, but it's been a while, I can bring up the clipboard, and then I can hit the arrows, down to select whichever one that I want. Oh, it's not working. Control V, and then not working. Well, it's supposed to work with arrows, but I mean, you can just go ahead and scroll down and then click on the one that you want to paste, and then you should be able to paste that text or that image. And then another thing you can do, another thing that you can do is Windows V is you can pin something. So say you're copying something. A lot of times you can just go ahead and click on the pin, And then no matter how many things you copied after that, this one will remain on top. And this one too, if you decide to do both. Okay, so we have one more that I want to show you. And this one is kind of a fun one. So say you're working on a document and you want to bring life to it. You want to add some emojis. So Windows, the Windows key plus period brings up the emojis. And then you can use the arrows. Oh, it worked this time. You can use the arrows to select the emoji that you want and then hit enter. And then you basically have it copied so you can, paste it into the Word document. You can also search, thumbs up, whatever emoji you want to search for. And then if you go down, there's a lot of different GIFs that you can choose from. So last shortcut with a little bit of fun there. Okay, well, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like the video. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and hopefully you start using some of these shortcuts that are very, very useful. Thank you very much. See you guys later.